Forget the expensive supplements and the complicated routines for a minute. These are my grandmother's secrets to staying so vibrant and healthy all the time. Beetroot is way more than just a colorful salad topping. It's a source of potent natural medicine. But what happens when you pair its earthy power with ginger? Well, you get a combination so effective, it can genuinely change how you feel day to day. Today, we're not just going to talk about it. We're going to get into the science that makes beetroot and ginger a true power couple for your health. Then, I'm taking you into the kitchen to show you 3 ridiculously simple, delicious recipes that will make you forget you're even eating something this good for you. By the end of this, you won't just be a believer. You'll be grabbing beetroots on your next grocery run. Beetroot opens up your blood vessels, and ginger is a powerful immune booster. It has natural antiviral and antibacterial properties that can help your body fend off infections and support respiratory health. Together, beetroot and ginger create a juice that detoxifies, energizes, soothes, and protects. Before we head into the kitchen, if you're finding this useful, then do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and like this video. We're always exploring the science behind the foods we eat, and we'd love to have you in the community. For our first recipe, we're making a vibrant, energizing drink that's the perfect swap for your morning coffee. It's earthy, a little spicy, and absolutely packed with nutrients. Here's what you'll need. 1 medium raw beetroot, about an inch of fresh ginger. Add more if you love that kick. 1 apple for a touch of natural sweetness, and a splash of lemon juice to brighten it all up. Start by giving everything a good rinse. You can peel the beet if you prefer a milder taste. But remember, the skin is rich in fiber and antioxidants, so keeping it on is a nutrient bonus. Next, chop the beetroot into smaller chunks and toss it into your food processor or juicer. Then add your apple and ginger. If you're using a food processor, pour in a little water to help things blend smoothly. Once everything is well blended, strain it through a fine sieve or nut milk bag. Finally, stir in your fresh lemon juice. The acidity from the lemon doesn't just lift the flavor, it also helps preserve the color and adds a bit of vitamin C to the mix. Pour it into a glass and enjoy. It's spicy from the ginger, sweet from the apple, earthy from the beet, and bright from the lemon. It's a truly energizing drink that makes you feel alive from the inside out. For our second recipe, we're making a simple yet vibrant beetroot and carrot dish. Earthy, slightly sweet, and full of color and nutrients. Start by finely dicing half of a medium onion. Then carefully grate 2 medium carrots and 2 young beetroots. Now heat a drizzle of olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add in your diced onions and sauté them until they turn lightly golden and fragrant. Once they start to soften, add the grated carrots and beets. Stir everything together, then cover and let it cook gently for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, season with a pinch of salt, some freshly ground black pepper, a touch of garlic powder, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. That tiny bit of sugar helps balance the earthy flavor of the beets. Stir well, cover again, and let it cook on low heat for another 15 to 20 minutes until the veggies are tender and beautifully glossy. Once it's done, take it off the heat and toss in a handful of chopped walnuts for some crunch and healthy fats. You can serve this warm as a side dish, or chill it and enjoy it as a refreshing salad. It's colorful, nourishing, and surprisingly satisfying. This last one is perfect for a chilly day, or for when you're feeling a bit under the weather. It's a comforting, healing tea that combines all the benefits of beetroot and ginger in a warm, soothing drink. Here's what you'll need. 1 small beetroot, grated, a 1-inch piece of ginger, grated, the juice of half a lemon, a teaspoon of honey to taste, about 2 cups of water. This could not be easier. In a small saucepan, just combine the water, grated beetroot, and grated ginger. Bring it to a gentle boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. This will let all the flavors and beneficial compounds infuse into the water. After simmering, strain the tea through a fine mesh sieve into a mug to get rid of the grated bits. Squeeze in the fresh lemon juice, and if you like it a little sweeter, stir in a teaspoon of honey. This tea is so incredibly soothing. It has the gentle warmth of the ginger and the subtle sweetness of the beetroot. It's a fantastic way to support your immune system, aid digestion, and just enjoy a quiet, healing moment. So there you have it. From a performance-boosting, heart-helping powerhouse to a versatile star in your kitchen, beetroot, especially with its fiery friend, ginger, is a true superfood in every sense of the word. It's proof that taking care of your body doesn't have to be complicated or bland. It can be colorful, delicious, and seriously effective. We've seen how nitrates in beetroot can improve blood flow, boosting everything from your heart to your brain. We've learned how ginger brings its anti-inflammatory and digestive soothing magic to the party. And hopefully, you now have 3 exciting new recipes to try. I really hope you give them a go. Whether you start your day with that Energizer juice, enjoy the salad for lunch, or wind down with the warming tea, you're doing something amazing for your body. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're most excited to try. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.